In this tutorial, I am going to talk to you about this question: how do you make a digital side hustle? This video will give you tips and ideas that make it easy for you to start a digital side hustle and generate an income online without expertise. So if you're interested in learning how to begin a side hustle to create a new source of income online, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I will then create more content for you. Thank you, let's begin. Okay, to begin with, let me give you a few reasons to start a side hustle. Number 1. Provide yourself with multiple sources of income. Even if your day job provides enough money for your overhead expenses, having a side hustle gives you another income source which can ultimately be empowering. In truth, you can never have enough money, especially if the extra money is a few $100s per month and you can do it all online. Number 2. Pay off debt. According to CNBC, the average American has about $90,000 in debt. One of the top reasons that people seek out a side hustle is to pay off debt. With one source of income, paying off debt may be very difficult, especially if you have a family to feed and a mortgage to pay for. You can make tremendous headway in cutting down your debt with extra monthly money. Number 3. Build wealth. If you have no debt to pay off, or you have finished paying off your debt with your side hustle and now have expendable money, you can put your money to work for you and build wealth. This can mean building an emergency fund, boosting your savings account, or expanding your financial portfolio. With a side hustle, you can reach your financial goals much quicker if you stay disciplined. Number 4. Give yourself a creative outlet. Let's be honest, regular day jobs are tedious and can be mundane. Finding a side hustle that lets you bring out your creative side while connecting with your passions and making money from it is an overall win. Some people even create a full-time career from their side hustles, driven by their love for what they do. I will now give you some ideas to help you start a digital side hustle. Here we go. Idea 1. Take online surveys. One of the most popular and accessible side hustles to invest your time in is taking online surveys on sites like Survey Junkie. You can choose when to take a survey and how long you want to spend doing it. Most surveys will describe the type of survey and approximately how long it will take to complete. It is not the highest paying online side hustle, but there is money to be made from it. You can earn anywhere from $1 to $20 per survey. Popular online survey websites that you can check out to start taking online surveys would be Inbox Dollars and Swagbooks. Idea 2. Start a blog. Starting a blog can be a creative outlet for many writers before a money maker. It is something writers of all experience levels can learn and love to do. Most blogs do not make a lot of money when they are being built, but with consistency and dedication, as you put out a new blog every day, your audience will grow and so will the cash flow that comes with it. Bloggers have the potential to make thousands of dollars per month. Blogs can be a passive income opportunity by adding affiliate marketing and advertisements. With an attractive website and valuable content, your blog can gain a lot of traffic, recognition, and extra income, especially if you create an online business for merchandise, following in the footsteps of prominent influencers. You can create your website on various platforms including Wix and Squarespace, turning your spare time into a lucrative side hustle. A lot of people start with popular free blogging platforms like Blogger, Medium, or WordPress.com, but these blogging platforms are limited. You don't want to waste your time there if you're serious about blogging. First, you'll have to follow the terms and conditions of these platforms, and they have the right to shut down your blog without any notice. Also, there's no guarantee that you will be able to export your content should they shut off your blog. You can only use the features available on their platform, which are limited. Most free platforms also restrict you from making money blogging. WordPress.org, on the other hand, gives you complete freedom and control of your blog. You can add features, make money, or do whatever you like. WordPress powers over 31% of all websites on the internet. Here are some quick tips on choosing the best domain name for your website. Stick with .com domain extension. Choose a domain name that is easy to pronounce, spell, and as short as possible. Use your keywords and brand name in the domain name. For example, stargardeninghouston.com is more search engine friendly than stargardeningcompany.com. Choosing the right web hosting is by far one of the most important decisions when starting a blog, because this is where your website files are stored. Many beginners like the idea of getting free hosting, but choosing a free website hosting is always a bad idea, and it will end up costing you more money and time in the end. For those who are just getting started, I recommend using Bluehost because they're an official WordPress recommended hosting provider. They're also offering our readers a free domain name plus a 65% discount on hosting. My second choice for hosting is SiteGround. They're also officially recommended by WordPress and they're known for great support. If you're looking for support and training in the areas of SEO, social media marketing and digital marketing, get in touch with the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Idea number 3. Social Media Manager. With the rise of social media platforms and the growing industry of interactive technologies, social media managers are very much in demand. The job of a social media manager entails connecting a target audience with an organisation. Businesses hire social media managers to expand their online presence and brand awareness, increase sales and revenue, and attract business opportunities. Primarily, social media managers create content with heavy marketing strategies to attract potential customers and clients. This profession can be handled strictly online as a full-time job or side hustle depending on the social needs of a business. Over the years, social media has focused on visual elements, although the name suggests it's all about being social. The fundamentals of social media include community management, great captions, and customer service. They are all essential parts of what your followers expect across the different platforms. Good social media managers know how to edit their writing for different platforms. For example, Instagram allows up to 2,200 characters and 30 hashtags, whereas Twitter have increased the number of characters per tweet from 140 to 280 for most users. Understanding how each platform works will help save time when planning your social media. Social media is all about developing content, be that designing, taking a photograph, writing, or producing a video. No matter what industry you work in as a social media manager, you need to be creative. The goal is to create valuable and buzzworthy content that makes your followers engage and share. Social media managers need to have creativity and freedom while staying within the brand guidelines and style to get the job done. Being familiar with the basics of photography and graphic design is necessary for success. Social media managers have to deal with a lot of different parts from day to day. If it's not about scheduling and posting several times a day across multiple channels or checking over and replying to comments and DMs, there is always additional short and long-term strategies to plan. Knowing which social media tools will help you plan, schedule, and auto-post your social media campaigns visually will help with your day-to-day organisation. Idea 4. Proofreading. Proofreading is one of the strongest and most popular side hustles in 2023. This job is perfect for those who love freelance writing with solid grammar and language skills. Proofreading is a bit lighter than editing. Editing is usually performed before proofreading as editors focus on other text elements. When proofreading, you are explicitly looking for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Yes, many websites can fulfill this duty on a surface level. Still, with the rise of businesses writing to expand their online presence, including website launches, blogs, and social media, companies look for freelance writers and proofreaders to ensure quality content. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr, where you find excellent side hustle opportunities for freelance writing, are also great places to look for good money in proofreading. The best way to think about proofreading is to get a second pair of eyes on a piece of content. Idea number 5. Start an e-commerce webshop. The industry of e-commerce has been on the rise. E-commerce stores have many perks like drop shipping, easy to use interfaces, digital payment exceptions, no retail storefronts, and 24/7 product availability. Many platforms like Shopify and Amazon provide an online storefront for your e-commerce store and educate you on how to open your online store, manage transactions, build your brand, and more. Additionally, for more niche markets, you could try Etsy and eBay, or even start your e-commerce store with site hosting services like WordPress. When considering how to make a website to sell online, think about your e-commerce platform as the control center for your entire business, controlling everything from inventory to marketing, giving you all the tools you need to sell online and provide customer support. Key features to look for in an e-commerce platform include usability. Your e-commerce software should be easy to use, especially if you are DIYing it in the beginning. Look for a tool that is intuitive and uses a drag and drop online store builder to easily create your online store. Schedule a demo or free trial if you want to find out for yourself. Accessible customer support. Look for a platform that offers support the entire way. For example, with Shopify, you can get help launching your site or migrating it from another software, as well as ongoing support. Support teams are available 24/7 through live chat, email, or even phone, anytime you need, in 19 different languages. Friction-free checkout. Streamlined checkout is critical to making sales. Find an e-commerce platform that makes it easy for shoppers to buy your products. If you use Shopify, Shop Pay streamlines online checkout, increasing checkout speed by 4 times. You can also use Shopify's plugins with more than 100 payment gateway to accommodate various payment methods and currencies. Web hosting. A web host stores information and content on your e-commerce website in a server database. You need web hosting to let people access your online store. Some e-commerce softwares offers web hosting built in, while others require you to use a third-party solution. Idea number 6. Become a virtual assistant. The job of an online virtual assistant can vary from administrative work to bookkeeping. Everyday tasks a virtual assistant can do include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, responding to emails, coordinating travel arrangements, data entry, and more. If you have good communication skills, customer service experience, and extra time to help new or busy business owners, this can be an easy way to make extra money from home. If you understand the basics of being a virtual assistant, you can begin to promote yourself to start working. Here are some tips to help you become a productive, successful virtual assistant. Acquire, learn, and master the appropriate tools and software programs to excel in your niche. Build your reputation, focusing your attention on referrals and networking events. Set up your home office in a way that inspires you to work and helps you focus. Designate time for completing specific tasks and stick to your schedule. Create a plan for your professional development by scheduling reading, training, or network conferences. Unlike many other jobs, becoming and succeeding as a virtual assistant does not require any specific education credentials. Although most virtual assistants have completed secondary school, some clients prefer virtual assistants who have completed courses in computer and business management. Some of these courses are designed to educate you on general virtual assistant duties and standard business practices. Taking a virtual assistant's course may be optional but could help you build your skills and increase your chances of getting hired. The virtual assistant role is closely related to that of a conventional office assistant. The main difference is that virtual assistants perform their duties remotely. People who work in this role often possess several years of experience as office managers or administrators. Consider beginning your career by applying for a role in an office setting. This can help you develop your administrative and technical skills. You may consider positions such as receptionist, office manager, bookkeeper, or administrative assistant. This can help you have a competitive advantage when applying for a virtual assistant role. Idea number 6. Online tutoring and teaching English. The pandemic made it easy for educators to make a lot of money tutoring and teaching English online. Students were not in a classroom, so many needed extra help and were able to receive it virtually from licensed professionals. Another perk to this side hustle is that teaching English online can be open to individuals all over the globe in different time zones, enabling online tutors to make money at all hours of the day. Online tutoring may be a good option if you have a niche besides teaching English and can help others practice it. Be available. To make a dent in the online tutoring world and have repeat clients, you can't only have 5 hours of availability per week. A successful online instructor who wants to make tutoring their career needs to have at least 20 to 30 hours of available time in their schedule to teach. Also, when addressing a problem that a student needs to improve, don't be stingy on time. Allocate sufficient time with the student to tutor them and provide them with the remedial help that they need. Be professional. To have a repeat clientele, an online tutor who is new to the game needs to be known as professional and trustworthy. So, to become a caring and successful online tutor, try to get to know your student and cater your tutoring lessons to their individual needs. Present the necessary information to offer remedial support based on the learning style of the student. While this might be difficult during the first lesson, you will slowly get to know your student. Knowing your audience and subsequently interactively providing knowledge is equally rewarding for both the student and the tutor. Share personal experiences. Most educators have come across a myriad of helpful learning strategies and techniques. Also, to become a qualified tutor, you've done your fair share of studying and problem solving. Therefore, it is in your best interest and for that of the student to share tips and tricks that you have found personally helpful. Online educators that ensure successful work periods regularly consult informative resources online or on print to become the best at what they do. Therefore, do not hesitate to introduce to students the websites and online study materials that helped you to master challenging academic achievements. It is exceptionally suggested to use websites and resources with students to have them see that the internet is a fantastic place with so many educational possibilities. Market yourself on a reputable tutoring site. While it is true that many tutors have successfully marketed themselves and created a client base using classified ads or other similar mediums, the best way to launch a triumphant career as a tutor is by creating a profile on a popular tutoring website. Look no further than Superprof. With over 12 million successful tutors teaching more than 1,000 distinct topics, Superprof has become a force to be reckoned with and a wonderful tutoring community to become a part of. Creating a profile is free and extremely easy with Superprof, and there are always thousands of students looking for new teachers to instruct them virtually. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments below the video which idea from this video you are going to use first. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, the skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.